welcome again in this series of Transformation with Travel. और since हम travel की बात कर रहे हैं, we can't miss but to talk about the COVID effect. How will the travel, in fact, how will the world be, post this pandemic? So obviously, world is going to be a different place after this pandemic. Lot of things will change. Lot of industries will need lot of time, in fact, to come back to normal. So travel industry is of course one of them, and we can only guess what can happen. For example, बहुत obvious सा जो है कि travel agencies will now have to take more care with respect to their passengers, right? So using sanitizer and then using mask, etc. is going to be the regular norm, at least for some more time. उसके बाद people may also prefer to travel in smaller groups than the bigger groups, and travel in their private vehicle rather than the public transport. So of course in that case there will be more of road travel, I feel, and rather than flight, because it's easier and people can afford to have a private vehicle when it is a road transport. But apart from these, I think the major impact going to be on the mindset, right? Because abhi kya ho raha hai कि even to step out of the house for small things, for regular work, it's difficult. There is lot of fear and uncertainty among people. So with this mindset, of course, बाहर जाना घूमने फिरने के लिए it will take people a lot of time to come back to that level of thinking again. So surely travel industry will need lot of efforts and will need lot of time to come back to its original form. Then ऐसा हो सकता है कि initially people may prefer traveling with their loved ones, because abhi somewhere because of this pandemic and lockdown there is fear to lose our loved ones. तो बहुत लोगों को ऐसे लग रहा है कि यार जितना टाइम हम हमारे फैमिली के साथ, फ्रेंड्स के साथ, जो भी क्लोज है उनके साथ बिताए, दैट इज गुड, बिकॉज यू डोंट नो कब क्या हो जाए. So that kind of thinking is also there among people right now. Also they may avoid crowded places, right? So maybe mountains पे जाना, और ऐसा जगह पे जहाँ पे बहुत सारा crowd नहीं है, people may prefer to go there rather than typical very famous but crowded places. So that can happen. Then the emphasis, as I said, will be on having good time with your loved ones rather than doing some adventure and just the sight scenery. But having said that, I think ऐसा भी हुआ है कि आप किसी के साथ आपका जमता नहीं है and you are forced to stay with that person and for about 3 months now. तो कुछ लोगों में वो suffocation भी है. So they are just waiting कि लॉकडाउन कभी खत्म हो, things get back to normal, and we go out on my own. I just want to have some time, me time for myself. So that can also happen. So there could be increase in the solo trips, I feel, in such cases. But we'll have to wait and watch. ये सब guesses है, what can happen. We can only think what can happen. But then let's hope. We can only hope that things get back to normal very soon, and everybody gets an opportunity to travel to their dream destinations. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you in the next video.